This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jillian Walter. Bay living at its best. The first level of this 4-bedroom home hosts a spacious floor plan with 2 living areas, an eat-in kitchen and gleaming bamboo floors. Upstairs, the primary suite features vaulted ceilings, an ensuite bath, and a large walk-in closet. The attached 2-car garage has high ceilings for extra storage, a real plus for beach life. Relax outside on an adorable covered front porch or hang out on the back deck, overlooking an oversized yard with a privacy fence. This home has an updated roof, windows, water heater and HVAC. Best of all, it has easy beach access and is convenient to naval bases and interstates. For more information, review the details below.